Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making some delicious creamy lemon chicken pasta. The best part is that we're going to be using our air fryer to make our crispy chicken. So if you're ready, let's get started. Alright guys, so first we're going to begin by preparing our water for our pasta. But while we wait for our pasta water to come to a boil, we're going to prepare our chicken. So I'm going to be using a bowl. Into my bowl I'm going to be adding 3 eggs, 1/4 of a cup of heavy cream. For my seasonings, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of chili powder, and half a teaspoon of lemon pepper. Just going to mix it all together. Okay, so once we have it ready, we're going to be adding 2 pounds of thin sliced chicken breast. Okay, so just make sure that the chicken gets nice and coated. Okay, so once that's ready, we're going to set it to the side and work on our dry mixture. For our dry mixture, we're going to be mixing 3/4 of a cup of panko, 3/4 of a cup of breadcrumbs, and 1 cup of Parmesan cheese. For our spices, we're going to be using 1 teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of onion powder, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, and half a teaspoon of chili powder. And just mix it. Okay, and once it's ready, now we are ready to coat our chicken. Okay, so we're going to grab our chicken. Shake the excess. Now we're going to coat it with our dry mixture. And make sure that you press it down. Okay, to get it nice and coated. Just like that. And just repeat to the rest of the chicken. Okay, so by the time we're done coating our chicken, our water should be ready. So now we can cook our pasta. Okay, to my water, I'm just going to add salt. And use your favorite pasta. I'm going to be using spaghetti. And we're just going to allow it to cook for 7 minutes. Okay, so while we wait for our pasta, we're going to get our air fryer ready. So I'm just going to set it for 10 minutes at 375. Okay, so once our air fryer is ready, I'm going to open it, spray it with a little avocado oil. We're going to place our chicken in. And allow it to do its thing. Okay, so once our pasta is ready, we're going to reserve 3/4 of a cup of its water. Okay, so now we can get ready to strain the water. Okay, so once we have our pasta, now we can get ready to make our sauce. To our pan, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of butter and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Allow the butter to melt. Once the butter melts, we're going to add the lemon zest of 1 lemon. We're going to allow it to cook for 1 minute. Okay, after the minute, we're going to be adding 3 minced garlic cloves. We're going to give it about 30 seconds. Okay, so after the 30 seconds, we're going to squeeze the lemon juice from 1 lemon. Okay. We're going to add the pasta water along with 1/4 of a cup of heavy cream. We're going to mix it and allow it to come to a simmer. Okay, so once it comes to a simmer, our sauce should have begun to thicken up. At this point, we're going to season with a little bit of salt and black pepper. And we're going to be adding 1 cup of Parmesan cheese. So just mix it all together and allow the cheese to melt. Okay, and once the cheese melts, taste it for salt and adjust it if needed. And at this point, we're going to add our pasta. And just make sure that the pasta gets nice and coated with the sauce. Okay, now we're just going to give it a couple minutes. And just like that, we have our pasta ready. Okay, so once our chicken is done, we're going to remove it from the air fryer. And it should be nice and crispy. Okay, and just repeat with the rest of the chicken. Alrighty, and after a couple minutes, we can get ready to serve and enjoy. Alrighty guys, and now for the fun part, serving. So I already have my pasta here. And I already cut my chicken, so I'm just going to place it right next to the pasta. I'm going to be garnishing with some parsley. And of course, some lemon wedges. Alrighty, and just like that, serve and enjoy. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that this dish is seriously perfect for those days that you don't know what to cook and you just want something fast, easy, and very delicious. And of course, you know, you can fry the chicken in oil, but right here, look at that. The chicken is nice and juicy and it is nice and crunchy. So I hope you give this recipe a try and enjoy it just as much. Cheers and enjoy. The best air fried chicken, so good, and it just pairs so good with the pasta, of course. It's so good, it's so creamy, and of course, you know, if you want to add less lemon, you can do that. But for me like this, it's perfect. So enjoyable, so flavorful, the best. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how to make a super easy and delicious creamy lemon chicken pasta. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you regret this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias, and if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.